All right, guys. Well, welcome back to the shop. I just wanted to do a quick video, let you know I'm still alive and kicking. Life has changed around here. I've had to do some, I had to go get a full-time job, a different job, different hours, a lot of overtime. So I haven't been able to do a lot of filming, and I haven't had time to do editing even when I do filming. We're still working on my buddy Tyrone's 55 Chevy. You saw the post of the motor that we're putting in it. It's all in. We are customizing some wiring, cleaning up some wiring, I should say. Customizing, cleaning up. And we're real close to getting it fired up. Been doing little bits and pieces of filming here and there. It's not real easy for me when other people are around. One person really doesn't want to be on film at all, and it just takes a while. There's a lot of us just gabbing, sitting around gabbing, so it's just a waste of film, video, memory card, however we say that nowadays. Anyways, I'll give you a real quick rundown. Tightening up, getting the exhaust lined up, but we did get real nice stainless pipes exhaust. It's all set up with a nice, got the X pipe and got some kool cutouts. We're gonna wire those up today. Got a fuel pump and everything in and wired in. Today I was gonna do some wiring, so I got that all plumbed and got our filter here. Filter directly out of the tank to there and up and over. So yeah, we've made some progress. But I just wanted to say, I wanted to thank you guys for a very interesting and productive 2025. All of you that joined the channel, really appreciate each and every one of you. All of you that are participating in the comments and advice and all that kind of stuff, you are all very appreciated. Of those of you watching that have not yet subscribed, I'm going to have more video of that vehicle. And then when I'm done with that, we are working on something in the background, and I'm going to be spending more of my days off on. That's my brother's project, and I'm going to start whittling on the editing for that. It's been a couple of months in the process of video here, video there. Wait to see this thing. It's kind of a holy grail of hot rodders vehicles. So, and then my plan, hopefully also, yeah, I say this like I have the time to do any of this. Taking around my brother's priority. But this, I picked up an extra set of heads. I want to tear the motor open, see if the cam is the issue. We talked about it. This is my 1966 Chevy 2 Nova. For those of you that aren't with the channel yet, new to the channel, go back and look. There's several videos on that and why that's sitting back here. And yeah, we're going to figure out if it needs a cam. If it does, we're going to put a cam in it. I got a better set of double hump heads, 202 heads, which is better heads than what's in there because we bent some valves. And I could actually buy a set of rebuilt heads that have been sitting on a dude's shelf for less than the cost of the machine work to fix whatever these heads went wrong with these heads. So that was the smart play. And we end up with better heads. So thank you all very much for 2025. We've got enough subscribers to make YouTube happy. We just don't have enough watch hours. We're still 1,500 hours away. They want 4,000 watch hours in 1 year's period. Like tomorrow will be a year from tomorrow back. Today's a year from today back. 4,000 hours before we get monetized. It'd be nice to have this as a second source of income, even if it's $100 a month. $500-600 a month would be nice. It'd pay some bills around here. Keep hot rods on the road. So if you guys can go and watch more videos and watch them to the end and comment, YouTube loves that. And they'll actually think maybe it's worth giving me a little tiny, itty bitty paycheck. And we'll try to do what we can do. I mean, but enough about me. I want to thank all of you. That was number one. Give you an update, kind of what's going on. That was number two. And number three was to wish each and every one of you a happy New Year's. I hope 2026 is better for everybody. Even if you were doing great last year, I hope it's that much better next year. Everybody deserves that. That's working hard and putting in the effort. You deserve to have every year get better than the last. So Happy New Year. And it'll probably be a few weeks before we get around to, hopefully in the next 2 days off, we're going to get this buttoned up. And then I'm going to spend the next couple of days off editing, putting a video together of some sort, and go from there. So, all right, guys. Thanks again. Happy New Year. We'll see you soon.